Sometimes when you're chatting with someone or receiving messages, you'll get notifications on X or Twitter. And sometimes, you may receive those same notifications in your email too. But if you don't want those notifications in your email, you can disable them. In this video, we'll show you how to disable this notification. So, let's open the X app. After that, up above, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click it, here you can see settings and support. Click on that, and here you can see settings and privacy. Click on this option. Then here you can see notifications. Click on that, and here you can see preferences. Click on preferences. And down here you can see email notifications. Click on this. And in there you can see email notifications. If it's turned on, what you need to do is, here you can see related to you and your posts. Under that, you can see the chats option. If it's turned on, just turn it off. After that, you won't get chats notifications in your email. So this way, you can easily disable this notification. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.